here this morning to do tree planting and Quailog implementations, and also phase 2 of their corporate social responsibility, and phase 3, which is the mangrove establishment, which will happen in Natutu. It's in the district of Nelangan.
Today's activity is part of the PRECAM's climate change strengthening governance plan. The restoration of riverbanks here in Nelangan, and today is a corporate engagement with the ANZ Western Branch, Lautoka by Taua. It's the corporate social responsibility that they engage us to facilitate.
On behalf of ANZ, I must say we, the Western team, are very happy and proud to be part of this event of Quailog implementation and tree planting here in Nelanga. We had a team of 25 staff come over to participate in today's event with the WWF members as well as the community members of Nelanga. The whole experience has been fulfilling and a satisfying one for all of us to see how we were able to give back to our environment and our community. Once again, we are grateful and thank you very much.
And one thing that really drove me on and inspired me with the Quailog placement was my village in Ongealau is undergoing climate change as well, so our village is sinking, and whenever there's a high tide it comes into the village. So this is something I can always take back to my uncles who live in the village. Mangi is plentiful on the island, and even those coconut husks, so they don't really have to spend funds to purchase them. And yes, it'll be a good experience for me and something that I can take back to my village elders.
I think any activity, any initiative in communities to fight for this climate change issue, it's everybody's business. Everyone should participate to do their part. Today, corporate were here to help the community stabilizes the riverbank, which is a fight for this climate change issue. Looking at the progress of the work, it's they're quite fast with the implementation. I can see teamwork in the combining the corporates and the communities and CSOs.